Hey class, we are back. Sorry for the delay, but today we have a great lesson about how to use two different past tenses in the same sentence. Let's go. I was sleeping when you called. In this sentence, we have two different verbs, both in the past. One verb is in the past simple, called, and the other verb is in the past continuous, was sleeping. Sometimes this is called the past progressive. It's the same thing. So, we have two different verbs, both in the past. I was sleeping when you called. What is happening in this sentence? Two things happened in the past. Number one, I went to sleep. Number two, you called. But action number one, sleep, was still happening in the moment when you called. For this reason, we use the past continuous, I was sleeping, for the first verb. And we use the past simple, called, for the second verb. The first action, sleep, was still happening. I was sleeping at the moment you called. So, here is what this looks like in a normal English conversation. Hey, I called you this morning. Why didn't you answer? I was sleeping when you called. Remember, the verb with ing is the action that started first. Okay, before we look at another example, let's look at the grammar of this sentence one more time. I was sleeping when you called. The first verb, sleep, is the action that started first. I need ing. Past continuous. To make the past continuous, I also need was or were. In this sentence, I need was because the subject is I. I was sleeping. The second verb is in the past simple, called, and I connect these two actions with the word when. I was sleeping when you called. Let's look at another example. They were watching TV when the power went out. Power? Electricity. The electricity turned off. The power went out. They were watching TV when the power went out. In this sentence, two actions. Watch, in this sentence, was the action that started first. And this action continued. And in the middle of this action, the power went out. So, the verb watch is in the past continuous. I use the ing. Was or were. In this sentence, were because the subject is they. And the other verb in this sentence is go in the past, went. They were watching TV when the power went out. Okay, so we have two examples. I was sleeping when you called. They were watching TV when the power went out. Past continuous and past simple together. Teacher, can I change the order of these sentences? Yes. Both of these sentences have two different clauses, and you can move these in English. For example, they were watching TV when the power went out. I can change the order and say, when the power went out, they were watching TV. When you called, I was sleeping. This is okay. But if you are writing, remember, because the first word of these sentences is when, we need a comma. In the first example, no comma. I change the order and start with when, yes, comma. I was sleeping when you called. When you called, comma, I was sleeping. Okay, quick review. We use the past continuous and the past simple together when we have two actions. One action started first and continued when the second action happened. So, wash my car, the rain started. I was washing my car when the rain started. Wash my car started first, and during the time I was washing my car, the rain started. I was washing my car when the rain started. Okay, that is all for today's video about the past continuous and the past simple. I hope this video helped you to use these two verb tenses together when speaking and writing in English. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sam. I'll see you soon.